guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tahini. Now it's the easiest recipe in the world. You're going to need a bit of sesame seeds, not toasted, actually just as they come. I bought 60 grams each, so that's 120 grams. There's a little bit of salt, whatever salt you want, and a really good olive oil. Make sure you have really good olive oil so it gives a nice olivey taste to the tahini. Now it's very simple. You need a food processor or you need a blender, but it's going to be the easiest recipe to make. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, we're going to start by adding everything in. All the seeds crumble like this, you're going to want to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to make it creamier. Now that we've added in our oil, we're going to add a bit of salt. You can see it's becoming a paste. Now we're going to add just a tiny bit more oil to make it creamier. Sometimes the paste is going to remain on the sides, so you just want to push down with a wooden spoon or a plastic spatula and basically just push it down and keep on going. Continue to bring this down until it makes a nice creamy paste. Remember guys, I'm using very little amount of sesame seeds, so it's not going to come out a lot, but it's going to be enough to make hummus, which is why I'm making it. And if you want to see my recipe on hummus, you can click on the next video or on my channel where you'll find all my cooking videos and everything else. I invite you to subscribe down below and, welcome you into the channel. We're going to add just a tiny bit more of olive oil and we're going to keep on going. Look guys, it's becoming a paste. We're going to give it one more go. I'm going to push everything down, add just a little tiny bit of oil to give it just a little more creaminess. And we're gonna be done. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness. It's such a creamy paste. You can still keep on going to make it even thinner, more liquidy, but I think we're good to go. And here, my friends, we have a lovely batch of tahini. Just a little tiny bit, but remember, to make hummus, you only need 1 to 2 spoons of tahini. And you can use this in different types of sauces. You can be creative and try it in whatever you like. Now, I definitely recommend this recipe. It came out lovely. It is very liquidy, as you can see, and you want to keep this definitely closed in a jar so you can keep it in your refrigerator, because that's going to maintain it at least for a week. I love if you tag me at Beast Beauty on my Instagram if you make this recipe. I would love to see what comes out and what great creations you guys make. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.